How to create table in CapCut for free. The first step is to open up CapCut on your laptop or PC. Now at the top, you will have different options such as transitions, effects. Go ahead and select the one that says stickers. Once you're here, click on the feature of charts, which is available for free. Now from these options, select table. Now it's going to look something like this. On the right hand side panel, you have the option of data format requirements. So go ahead and change it according to your need. Now by default, it's going to say region, year, GDP. If it works for you, you can simply enter your data over here. If you want to make changes, then you can simply head over to the settings icon. From here, you can change different options such as font, font style. Then down below, you have the option of content. Next, you can head over to the style and animation tab. From here, you can change background and animation. You have options such as one by one or all at once. You can change those. You can also change the duration from here. Once everything looks good, click on the add to timeline option. Now you can make further adjustments from here, complete the editing process, and this is how you can create a table on CapCut. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.